Okay, here we go. Must seem pretty stupid making this much noise, but trust me, man. We gotta be fast about this. We gotta be fast about this. I'm taking my left. There's a toolbox right beside me. Oh my, look at the noise, man. I almost messed that up. Bruh, Sonny's so weak. Hold on. One more push, we're out. Alright. Gotta grab 2 of these ASAP. ASAP. Anna, where you at, Anna? Okay. Let's go. Yep, right here. Yeah, this is the thing about upgrading your proficiency. It makes you real fast. What is that? Is that? Someone's making noise right now. Got this door open. Hold on, I'm gonna grab more. What was this? I can't remember. Do we have a cook in this game? Okay, we got Sonny and Sonny. That is Sonny. We got yeah, Johnny. I'm about to open this door up. I'm about to open this shit up. Yo, come with me, guys. I know the way. Alright.
Look at this.
Alright, let's go.
Is this a way out?
I'm gonna take the family house. Oh my. I think he just fed Grandpa. Okay. Stop moaning, Grandpa.
You're gonna get out, okay?
What's that?
No, Joey.
Bruh. Don't scare me like that, bro. I ain't trying to break my lockpicks. Is she out there killing chickens? Okay. Come on. Whoever is out there with me right now. You can escape through the family, through this door. Yeah. We're out right here. This is the secret exit. This is the secret escape. The secret exit. This is why I said the gas station is pretty much easy. When you play the gas station as a family, you basically need to have a cook. Look at me, I'm out. Connie, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, follow me, follow me. Right here. Right here, come on. Come on. Come on, this way.
Loud.
Yeah, it's open, it's open. Yeah, we out. Yeah, see? Basic. Yeah. Look at me, bruh. Look at me, bruh. Bro, the gas station looks exactly how it looks like in the movie. Looks exactly how it looks like in the movie. Yeah, Connie left. Let me see what's happening. Where they at? Is he coming? Yeah, he's coming. Let him see me. Is that my teammates? I think that's... Oh my. Oh my. The last minute. Oh my god, that's so sad. Alright, it's coming for me now. Nah. Leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone, bro. I'm out, you goofy ass motherfucker. Man, that was insane, man. That was insane, bro. That was insane. GG's, man. Oh my. But those are the most scary family members, in my opinion. Alright, here we go. We do not care. Everybody making a noise. Look at them. Look at them.
Oh God. Where am I? What is this place?
I'm gonna grab this ASAP. I had him. He's out there. Or start up his chainsaw. Gotta go through the back. Oh my, who woke Grandpa up? He's about to moan, bro. Chicken starts screaming. Whoop. Bro, I'm so dead, man. I'm so dead. Alright. We got this. It's coming this way, man. It's coming this way. What's the cook doing out here, bro? He opened the exit. He opened it up. Gotta grab this shit ASAP. Bro, I leveled up Anna. She's so fast right now.
Yes. Please.
I hear someone.
Please. Oh, thank you. I might be able to break those locks. There's gotta be something I can use.
Oh, Leland. Look at Sonny, man. Oh my god, they're all down here. Bro, what the hell? The whole family's down here.
Oh, a shortcut?
I was trying to make the escape from here. Oh, it's open. Close it, Leland, close the door. I'm trying to go upstairs. No way.
Oh no, they're here. Stay calm. Thank you, God. I think I lost.
I'm about to open up the front door. We gotta be very smart about this. This family are pushing us so bad, man. Yeah. Oh, there's no trap outside. There's that. Alright, time to run out loud. The generator is... Is it? Yeah, it's out there. He didn't trap the generator, bro. Turn it off, girl. Yo guys, I'm about to open up the front exit. The front door is open, so you can just come out the front exit right now and escape. If you wanna leave, come with me right now. If you wanna leave, making it out. We out of here, bro. We out of here, guys. Oh my god, what the hell? Someone's trying to kill Grandpa. Oh, he got executed. Connie, come on, Connie. We out, Connie. Come on. Keep running. Come on, Connie, this way. Jeez, man. She's going the other way. I don't know what she's trying to do. Okay. 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 Hello, I'm out here. I'm out here. Come on. Oh, oh no, that's Cece. She looking at me. She looking at me. She gave me a tea bag. I see you, CC. What's she trying to do? She about to come out to the side. She about to sneak up on me. Nasty.
Please, God, help me.
Come on, CC. Come on, let's dance. Come on. Come on. Let me twerk for you, CC. Come on. Let me shake that booty for you, CC. Come on. You like that? Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Come on here. Come on. She's gonna dance. I'm gonna give you my ass right now. Come on. Let me shake that ass for you, girl. When she has no idea what she's doing right now. She's trying to turn on the... Hey. Oh, why you trying to dance? Oh, I'm just like you. Hold on, let me see your back. Let me see you. Can I roll? Come on, let's go. Oh, she about to escape too. Can I? Whose blood do you have all over you, Cece? Whose blood is all that? Oh my. Really? Thought we were friends.
I can get help. I like that. I like that.
Yeah, you like it.
I like that.
She's so nasty. Can you see what she's saying?